Hello, this is Uche. This is me wishing all the fathers in the parish a happy Father's Day. He's the calm in the storm, the strength that I need, a guiding hand when I can't see, strong and quiet, wise and true, eyes there to see me through. In silent ways He showed me how to stand up tall and live out loud. He gives His all without a word. A father. To all the fathers in the parish, happy Father's Day. The Lord sees your struggles. Happy Father's Day. The Lord bless all your efforts. Happy Father's Day. Thank you for all you do. Happy Father's Day. He gives His all without a word. A father's love. He gives His all without a word.